How to fix Minecraft launcher not working on your device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily fix your Minecraft launcher not working properly when you are opening it for the first time or for the many times. Then what you can do is just head over to your Microsoft store and simply search in for Microsoft Minecraft launcher just like this. So once you search in for that, always make sure that your Minecraft launcher is up to date to its latest version. So if it's still not working, then in that case what you can do is just come over to your search bar and simply search in for Minecraft launcher just like this, and under this app settings just select this option called app settings, and once you're inside here, finally scroll all the way down until you see the option called repair and reset. So you just have to try it like pressing on this repair. Once you repair, you might as well reset the application and re-log in with your login credentials. So once you do that and just relaunch your application, and your application should start working successfully. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.